This is my bullet point setup. Got this set up for my wife while I drive. She can actually work on the road. It's very cool. Works out great. Double screen. This is all bullet point products. I do have some also coming in the mail. I've got some extras coming. I'll redo a new video when that comes out. But check it out. This is how I did it. Rubicon 392. Doing the first modification. Well, not the first, but close. Installing bullet point. The new one has, try to do this one-handed, this to where I can just screw them in. So let's try that. So when my wife works on the road, I have an idea for her. I usually, with the old Rubicon, I used to stick her extra screen inside the slot here, and it was fine. This new 2024, it is smaller. So they must have teamed up with Bullet Point. To install this, and I will show you my idea I have. Don't ever tighten it up. Snug it. Snug. Pretty tricky one-handed. Snug. Snug. Tight. Tight. And tight. Okay. So my next idea was to set her monitor up. So if I got her monitor here, and I put a bullet point backing on it, twisted them in because we travel a lot. So twist ends, we can disconnect them very quickly without any tools. So that's why I installed that. I'm going to install it and let's see how it looks. All right. 2024 Jeep Rubicon, doing some mods. I did bullet point connectors. If you notice, I actually installed a monitor for the wife because we travel a lot. We're gone almost 275 days a year. And I installed this for her. If you look, these are the new mounts for the 2024. That's for the GoPro. And that's it. Pretty much it. This should work for her. So this was my idea. Bullet point, connected it. I think this will work well for her. I'm going to have to obviously tighten it up, but it shouldn't go anywhere. Stay tuned. I have a lot of videos releasing. I just learned how to edit, but I've been recording for the last couple years. But I do have new content coming out and a lot. It's going to come out quick. So subscribe.